I'm here at a detailing shop today, and the name of the shop is Obsessive Compulsive Detailing, a.k.a. OCD. I got the PPF installed in my car from here. They have done a great job with that, and those who have watched my accessories video would be knowing that by now. A couple of months back, the car met with an accident. A truck scratched the rear end of the car, which peeled off the PPF installed at the upper boot lip and also the spoiler. And I've made a detailed video of that incident, and that's there in the channel. If you want to check it out, please feel free. And the primary reason why I'm here today at OCD is to get the PPF reinstalled in these areas, and also to check out the whole process which OCD follows when they get PPF installed in any car. So let's go and check out the process at OCD. The first step of the process is to clean the car thoroughly so that there is no dust when you're applying the PPF. That'll be the first thing that they're going to do. After the normal water wash, they'll be doing the foam wash. Soon after the washing is done, the water stains on the car are being removed right now. Since the PPF is going to be reinstalled in the upper boot lip and in the spoiler, all these badges like the GT and the badge like the 630D will all be removed so that they can do a proper polish and then install the PPF. So you can see that all the badges have been removed from the boot lip now, and they are applying the PPF. So they've completed the installation of the PPF in the spoiler and also in the upper boot lip. You can see how neatly they have done the installation. There are no visible cuts over here. Everything is properly concealed, even on the edges, and the badges are back now at the proper places, which is really nice. So really impressed with the kind of job that they are doing with respect to PPF installation. Thanks to OCD for doing a neat job on the car. No wonder I came here for the second time. I've always been a fan of the work they are doing. So thank you all for watching. Until we meet next time with a different video, bye bye.